Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do. Girl, where you been? We gonna talk about it. But right now, we got a hair sponsor. This is Vivi Baby Hair. Okay, they sent me their loose curly wave hair. Washed it, did all of that. Girl, you know what? Let me go ahead and sip my green juice while y'all watch this, and then we gonna get back to talking and all that good stuff. So shout outs to them for sponsoring this video. I'm not even gonna hold you. We not gonna dilly and we not gonna dally. All the information will be down below. Okay, so let's zoom in so we can get with fan. Okay. Girl, we about to do these brows. Anyways, y'all gonna go ahead and watch this video and we gonna talk a little bit, okay? And all the information for the products will be listed down below and all of that good stuff. Girl, where you been? Listen, I know I've been gone for like 2 weeks. It is not intentional. Remember the other day when I told y'all that I've been recently suffering from migraines? Well, honey, it is getting in the way of life and I'm literally out here walking on pins and needles. But child, I refuse to let this thing hold me down, okay? We need to figure it out. I have been to every single doctor, so y'all can just hold the little comments about check this, check that. I have done everything, okay? And all they can tell me is sometimes these things just happen suddenly for no reason. There's no explanation. I even Google schmoogle, which is the worst thing you could ever do, honey. If you is ever sick with anything, don't Google. Google will have you fit and ready to die, okay? I was ready to plan my funeral service, girl. Oh no, that is not what we gonna do. So, yeah, needless to say, I am super sensitive about everything. I don't know, I don't know what triggers it. It will just hit you out of the blue, and it's messed up because it's not a simple migraine. It's a what they call it, a biocular migraine. I think that's, girl, today I'm inspired by KVN Loung. I think that's, listen, if you go to his page, he has some of the best makeup looks. Very natural, but still giving full on glam. Not natural in the sense like, you know, natural makeup. I'm talking about like, you know, soft glam, neutral glams. Not a lot of color going on his thing, but honey, he will beat a face into space. Okay, yes. So while y'all watch me do all that, so what was I saying? Yes, I got the ocular situation where I start to lose my vision first, and that's a very scary thing. You see what I'm saying? Like, you just be sitting there and then all of a sudden this little spot of, you know, like when you look into the light and you look away from the light, you still have that light like stain on your vision. So anywhere you look, you have like that thing that, I don't know how you call it, okay? I am not a doctor and I am not a scientist, child. I am trying to push through, okay? But it starts off like that, you know, and then it's kind of like it spreads, you know. So I would have like these blind spots. Girl, we doing a face, child. Look at me trying to explain the type of headaches, girl. Anyways, needless to say, I am suffering. And another thing that I am suffering with, and I do not know why, is my neck is breaking out. My neck is giving me the business and I don't know why. Anyways, yeah, I've been to the dermatologist doing all of that. Is what I'm saying, because, you know, it's, look, man, I'm just going through it over here, okay? Today is a Fenchy day. Let's go ahead and talk about this makeup, boo. Let's get back into the happy spots, okay? The happy spots of life. You see what I'm saying? So, bear with me, okay? I'm going through something and I don't even know what it is that I'm going through. Okay, girl. Yes, boo. And to make matters even worse, I'm suffering from, I guess, PMDD. Yes, girl, I've been to the doctor. They say that's exactly what it is. You see what I'm saying? And this is also something that I'm not used to. I never had this. All of a sudden, I never had migraines and I never had PMDD, but here we are trying to figure it out. Girl, my life is a mess, but we're gonna push through. We're gonna push through, okay? I miss y'all though, and I want to thank everybody that reached out to me in my DMs. You see what I'm saying? That was like, yo, we miss you. I miss y'all too, okay? It's not intentional. You see what I'm saying? But I'm just trying to take care of myself. Like I said, I'm over here walking on pins and needles because this thing will just hit you out of the blue. You see what I'm saying? The period thing is different. But the migraine, you see what I'm saying? Like the period thing, I can kind of gauge that, you see what I'm saying? Like where my period is coming, where the moodiness is coming from, where this, you know, downcast feeling is coming from. But the migraine, it just, that's a different thing. Like I can't gauge that. It would happen just out of the blue. And then girl, when that pain hits you, girl, I know some mamas are out there just looking at me like, girl, what are you talking about? Imagine having migraines and having babies and husbands to take care of, child. Listen, we women, we really do go through a lot. We do, okay? Ooh, these hormones is about to take over our lives. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, girl, what is going on? Praise be. Yes. Anyways, yeah, girl, that's what's been going on. Girl, that fly. That fly just came out of nowhere and just upsetted me, okay? I thought I was seeing things. Big old fly. Oh, Lord, just all up in here. Ooh. Anyways, we gonna bronzify to, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing about his looks, girl. You know, I just be talking when it comes to these freestyles. I just be talking off the top of my head. I ain't got nothing scripted, okay? So y'all gotta see with me. His looks are very, very bronzed. You know what I'm saying? He's going to bronze a chick, okay? And he uses light blush. Like, I feel like he doesn't use a lot of color when it comes to blush, so I decided to skip blush today for that same reason, because you know that bronze color, you know, it still works on the cheeks. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, I miss Fenty, and I don't mind mixing. You know, I don't mind that I never found a shade, but look at this face, honey. It truly is a soft matte, super, super beautiful. Oh, girl, I hope you don't hear that construction work going on in the back end, child. I tell you, them people still out here making a bunch of noise. So if you hear something, that's what's going on, boo. Yeah, girl, but oh, this face is sitting. Now, when it comes to the eyes, I really couldn't see what he had on the eyes. You see what I'm saying? Because the eyes are open and there's not a second shot for me to see, like, you see what I'm saying? So I kind of just guessed, but this is probably not what's going on. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, girl. Okay, so we back to this hair. Really did love this hair. I am not gonna lie. It is giving soft wave, very, very airy. It is 250% density, so it's super full. I mean, she was giving what it was supposed to give, okay? And for somebody who no longer bleaches the knots and does all of that, like, I'm not gonna say I no longer do it. Like, for my everyday wig, which every woman should have, we're gonna talk about the everyday wig in another video. I'm gonna do an everyday essential hair pack that every woman should have, okay, in their arsenal, like something you just throw on and go, how to take care of your natural hair. We're gonna do it all. Girl, let's talk about the vlogs. Girl, I vlogged the other day, did a whole entire vlog, okay, and for some reason there was no audio. I was looking cute. I took y'all to the supermarket. I took y'all out shopping with me. We were doing stuff out here, just regular everyday life. I was showing you Japan. You know what I'm saying? And girl, no audio. I know you lying. Anyways, that just threw me for a loop. I really, really tried. That's another thing I want to talk about with these migraines. Because these things will hit you from out of the blue, I'm scared to drive now, you know? I'm scared to drive, something that I never had a problem with. Like, I'm just really scared to be on the road because, like I said, this stuff is just, I don't know what's triggering it. Like, if I knew what was triggering it, then maybe I could, you know, like, avoid certain things, but I really don't know. It's really, really scary. It's really scary. So I haven't been behind the wheel like for a whole 2 weeks because, like I said, I'm scared, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just going through a lot, people. I really am. Okay, not to burden you, but your girl is suffering over here from something, you see what I'm saying? And another thing, the doctor was like, is it hereditary? And I'm over here like, who am I gonna talk about this? I asked my grandma. I called my grandma, asked her, and she was like, no. And that's the only person I can ask y'all, because I don't know what's going on, okay? Ooh. Yeah, girl, we really going through it. Okay, so the going out vlogs, you know, hubby's gonna have to be involved with that one, which I don't mind. You know, I want him to be there. But yeah, I'm scared to drive. Like, when I tell you this thing is taking over my... Listen, forget about it. Look at his face. Look at his face. Who is she? Where did she come from? Okay. Look at this face. Look at the hair. Look at everything. Make sure you check out Baby Vivi baby hair. Girl, listen, look. Who is she? I know you lying. Listen, if it is your first time here, I promise you we keeps it pump over here. Today is just, you know, I'm going, you see what I'm saying? If you're a girl, you just work with me, okay? Listen, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. I love you guys. For me to, you don't know how much I appreciate you, okay? So just bear with me, you see what I'm saying? And we're gonna get back to pumping out these videos, okay? We are, okay? I have not forgotten you guys. I have not forgotten my channel. I love you guys, and I will talk to you real soon on the next one. Bye-bye.